eating Elmo's blanket. You're eating his blanket.
Where are you? Elmo doesn't see you. There you are. Elmo sees you.
You gonna eat Elmo's blanket?
Elmo's just getting warmed up, baby.
You are eating Elmo.
Hey, who turned out the lights? Never mind. Elmo's a silly monster. Guess who's behind the blanket? It's Elmo! Hooray! Where are you? There you are, right where Elmo left you. Again! Pika bye-bye.
You can't eat feet. You can't eat Elmo. You're eating Elmo, Boo Boo. Your kisses. Mwah. Kisses. No, go lay down, Money. I can't make Elmo sit up.